Bombardment.
Hopefully she's around next turn to use it.
There you go. 4.
4 wounds?
Yep.
Alright. What is this, AP3?
Yeah.
So, Chapter Master, why not?
That's what I'm talking about.
Feel no pains.
Nothing.
Stars, nothing.
There we go.
Got them both. And she's initiative
7.
So cool. Congratulations. Did you
Consolidate.
take Warlord?
No, I did not. Here.
Yep. You go, don't you?
No, I'm
I
initiative
have
3.
So here's my 3. I have 3 dudes.
2 hit.
2 hits, yeah, because there's weapon skill.
And 5s.
1. Die.
Yep.
Die.
Good.
Damn. That's been a fun close combat.
Force. You suck, guys. You guys just suck.
I don't care. Fuck it. Let's just bring it over here a little bit and stay right on that objective.
Yeah, man, you guys just suck.
It's okay.
You did your morale on these guys here, right?
No. Did I?
I don't remember. That's what I was asking.
I don't think I did. What was wrong? I don't think I did.
That's the end of my turn.
All right, man.
Bottom of 3.
My turn. I gotta do points.
Yep.
1, 2. I'm just out on here. I have 2. It's turn 3. Oh, I gotta roll for my reserves. Dreadnought. In.
What's in there?
That's a tax swap.
Yeah.
So that's a Dreadnought. Fuck, where do I want to put this shit? Let's give your sisters some excitement.
Oh, come on. What they ever
This
do?
is a tax one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So, did you... Is the dread in the marked drop pod then?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine.
It
I don't know what
really
you're
matter.
doing. No, no.
Just as long as a drop pod.
It doesn't... No, no. I'm fine with
Yeah.
it.
It's coming closer to you though, at least. Tax swap, what you got? Tax swap, there you go. Oh shit, sorry dude. Fucking up your guys. Let me get out and point your sisters.
Like, whatever.
There's the one guy.
Like, we got this.
Yeah, when you take the... But, why not try? Everything that you want to reach so I go to step fire and right your drop.
So, with the Tech Marine, you can do it. You can try to make a repair inside. You just can't move or shoot the vehicle, correct?
Yeah, I think that's a forego.
Yeah, I think you do that. All right, let's see if I can do it. I need a 5, correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that was failure. Good job, buddy.
I'm gonna start walking Call down here by himself. I'm gonna have him start challenging vehicles. He's out.
Okay, good. I'll shoot my Vindicator at him. Because those guys are still in.
Yes.
Why not? Let me
Hit him, baby.
waste the fucking shot, right? That's what it is. You're the only thing I can shoot at. But it might scatter back on that. Or
And
back
hit
into
the void
that.
shield.
Fuck your void
Oh,
shield.
my
Scatter
two,
that way.
My 2 void shields. Hey, I get 1 back.
Scatter that way.
Just hit.
Just direct hit.
There you go. Strength.
10.
So 2.
Fucking win.
AP.
2.
It is?
Or 10-1. Or 10-2. 10-2. Yeah.
Okay. 5 up. Oh. Feel no pain. Oh. Are you kidding me? Oh, God. Redeem yourself. There we go.
How many times you can re-roll that?
Well, he gets his 5 up invuln.
I know.
Yeah, he's got his 5 up invuln and then his rerollable 5 up feel no pain.
Pop shot.
Okay, shield's in front.
Yeah. That's it.
Hits.
Hit.
He needs a 5.
Move him over.
Okay.
I don't want to be too close.
No, I'll move 9 and get closer.
That's what I'm saying. Well, yeah, you're right. You're already gonna fucking.
I have a 9-inch move.
I already started shooting, so it doesn't matter. Whatever. They're all within rapid. I don't care. You're gonna get there. You're gonna get there. I'm close to the objective.
Yeah.
So if I live,
You're fine.
Yeah.
It's worth it.
That's all I need.
It's worth it, dude. I hear you.
Boulders. Boulders. That's about right.
Threes.
That's about right. Ooh. Where's that? I needed that on that night.
What's that? How many was that?
5. Bolters are rending.
Damn. Okay, starting here. 4s. There we go. 4s. Pop up, feel no pain. There we go. 4. Ooh. Feel no pain. Make it. Oh, you suck.
Alright, melt the gun. Hit. Just another 6. Bye.
Cover.
Okay.
Turn the melt
take
up?
the cover. I don't give a shit.
Nah, it doesn't matter. 6 up. 6 up in boom. Oh, that's a 3.
People are just gonna hear me whispering in the fucking thing.
You done shooting at them?
Yeah.
They're good.
I don't have anything else to shoot at them with. Alright, shot. He's hot.
Gonna run that dread? I know. You can be a wuss. You're gonna run away. Close combat dread. Let's run away.
With my luck, I'll fucking
Run away!
trip on himself.
He can't immobilize
I
himself.
know. I'm gonna run 5 inches.
Run away! Oh my god, they're coming closer! Don't go closer! Don't come closer!
That's alright. He didn't do anything anyway. I just wanted to make you have to come for this. They're gonna shoot. They're gonna stop the shoot over there.
Who are they shooting at?
I still didn't shoot them.
No, I know. You got
we
the
were
drop
we were
pods.
busy talking shit, and I went back over there.
I mean, these guys are both inside. I think they're all within 12, right?
I don't know about this guy. He might be out.
No, you're all.
Okay.
So both these things are inside the void shield, so they can shoot at everything in the void shield.
Well, this attack squad's gonna shoot the sisters. So here's
Okay.
the bolters. Their armor save is what, 5?
3.
The 3 up armor save?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 3 up, and then they have 6 up as well.
Right.
What?
Oof. And 3s.
4. That's all I need.
And
That's all I.
and yeah, but the melt is enough to kill the last one.
Oh yeah, there's 5 there, not 4.
Yeah, there's 5.
There we go. No, you'll be fine. You make it.
Give me 6. Oh.
Get out of here.
So goes
You
the
gotta give me
superior.
1. You know what I mean? Come on.
So goes the superior.
Yeah, fucking superior, right? All right.
Drop pod.
Drop out into the sisters as well.
Okay.
Okay. Let's drop out into them.
Yeah.
1.
Good.
Good. The other drop out, same deal. Good.
Ooh.
2.
Oh, do it! Ah! Woo! Thank God, that was going to a 3.
2. He's dead.
Oh, you suck.
It went to a 3. Justice.
Oh, they feel no pain.
Oh shit.
Give me 6.
Nah.
Oh, it equaled 6.
All them 3s, dude.
Maybe-
You're stuck on 3s forever.
Maybe one of them should get it because they
Yeah, maybe one of them should get it. Yeah, it's fine.
because it equaled 6.
Sure, that's sound.
That's how it works, isn't it?
That sound. I like it. What was the deal with that motherfucker? Can I shoot through a knight's legs?
Yeah. It just gives a cover save. What are you shooting at?
I'm gonna shoot them at the
They're in the
squad.
void shield.
Oh yeah, well I'm gonna shoot. I can't do anything with any longer, so I'm gonna not do that. Yeah, I'm gonna not do that. You can knock them up over there. Everything shot over here, ran. I think I can. Let me pop shot Celestine with a storm bolter. If I'm within
Alright.
24, I should be. Yeah, I forgot that this actually I could see through there. 1 hit, going down, bitch. She good. She liked it. Tickled. That drop pod is shooting into the buddy boys right there. with 2 hits. 3s.
But that's what I'm gonna try to do.
Yeah. So no paints. Feel that paint. All right, man.
I already made their morale check.
Yeah, I forgot about that drop pod. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Close combat.
Yeah, I have no more shooting. I have no assaulting.
You get to go.
All right, take it all. Take all 3 of these. Ooh. Oh, 3 hits. 'Cause they're dumb.
And 5s.
And 5s. Nothing. That's close combat of the game.
Here we go, baby.
All right,
4s.
Oh,
Oh,
1.
there's 1.
That's all you need. You might win.
And a 2.
I wish that was over here a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You made a mistake assaulting them. You know that, right? Because you would have blasted the piss out of them, poor dudes. Why don't you say
No,
crawl?
they need 4s to hit,
Why don't
too.
you say crawl in there? Just say crawl in there. Just kill him. Go take him out of the turn, dude. You want it. You want that. You gotta get kill frenzied.
Call's got his duties.
Kill frenzy.
Okay, is that the end of your turn?
No, I gotta roll it when I dodge and shit.
Well, hurry up, dude.
No, you
seriously.
hurry up. Fuck off. No. No. Everything's dead over here. Cool. This one's mobilized with all its hull points. Chilling. Your turn, dude.
All right, top 4. So I'm down to 7 units. So I'm at the 2nd tier. I've done reroll shooting twice. I've done the cover save. I'm going to do. I've done 4 pinball and +3 ballistic skill. I'm gonna do reroll all missed hits in close combat.
God damn it.
What?
I always forget them, dude. I pull the cards out and I always forget about it. I pull the cards out to remind myself. Not that I don't know what they are. I pull myself out to remind myself and I always forget.
Okay. All missed hits in close combat. I'm gonna make my Skitari are gonna be nothing. I'm not gonna worry about it.
What time is it? 8 o'clock. How much did all that cost? How much did that boom cost?
I don't know.
Was it here?
Yeah, one of the guys from the club who does War Machine,
Yeah.
they had bought he bought the GoPro.
Yeah.
I don't know who. I think Gant bought the boom because he wanted to videotape stuff for the tournament for Delaware. But the GoPro's been here for like a year.
Huh.
So this is the boom. So I was the first one. They recorded a couple games, like 2 games, but then I recorded last Thursday night.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
recording tonight, so I'm gonna try and do like once a month. Move to recover. So 10.
With my word. Why you want to pick it on me? Stop picking on me tonight. You fucking night. Piece of shit.
Alright. What a jerk.
This plasma's gonna eat me the fuck up. You should be able to stay in the drop pod when you're done. Just saying.
Just
I need more.